Hey viewers, I've got a beautiful sunny afternoon here, so what I was planning on doing is coming out and trying out my Atlatl and my self-made darts here. Just basically that. I just wanted to throw them today to see how they actually fly. If anything, these darts may not have enough spine, but we'll soon know. So let me just talk about these a little bit and tell you a bit about them. My Atlatl is made out of cedar, western red cedar, and how I hang on to this particular style of Atlatl is with a thumb and forefinger loop, just like so. To hold the end of my dart, I have this little antler tine that I've lashed on here, and I used a combination of dental floss and a little bit of epoxy glue. That's not going to go anywhere. The length of the Atlatl itself is about my arm's length, just a little less. My darts, as you can see here, are made with duct tape. And here's the little sockets on the end that I drilled out. The dowel is a wooden dowel, and these ones are 5/16 of an inch diameter. And I have inserted those an equal distance into this aluminum collar, which I made out of, I think it's 2315 XX75 Easton aluminum arrow shaft. And I have epoxied the dowels into that. Same on the tip here. I have a field point. It's about 120-125 grains, and an aluminum arrow shaft that I have pressed the tip insert into, and then I epoxied that on the end of the dart. The length of the darts, I'm not exactly sure. They're somewhere in the neighborhood of, well, I'm 5'10" in my shoes, so these darts are about 6'4" approximately, and I just have two of them that I made up here. So I'll set the camera up and we'll take a couple shots. Okay, well, I'm just out here on a sandy bit of road, and so I'm just going to throw them. I don't actually have a target, but we'll give it a try here and see how it goes. Okay, got it knocked up, like so. See what we can do here. It's about 20 yards. Let's hook the other one up and we'll throw it too. Like so. I kind of hooked that one. Okay, I threw a couple with my left hand. I'm going to try a couple with my right arm now. There we go. kind of doing some weird bends, and that may be because the spine on this just isn't heavy enough. I need lots of practice, I can tell. Take a couple more. I have to say that I actually, my dominant eye is my left eye. My left arm is my weaker arm, but I'm actually throwing better with my left arm today. My right arm is my strong arm, but my right eye is not my dominant eye. So I'm going to go back to left hand. I'm going to try for, go for some distance. At least this gives me a base point to start with, and from here I think my next darts definitely are going to be stiffer. I'm throwing into a bit of a headwind here, but it shouldn't make much difference. It's almost in the identical spot to the last one. I'll pace it out and then I'll tell you how far that was. Well, those two darts went 37 paces, and I've got about a 30-inch pace. So about 32 yards, something like that. Chuck a couple more. About the same distance. Oops, I hit a block of concrete. This is working all right. I think this part, maybe I'll look at putting a weight on here. I don't know. Whatever I can to get me more velocity, more distance, more power. Okay, I'm going to walk down to the darts and I'm going to throw them back this way. I don't know if it'll give you much of a view, but let's give it a try. Try a shorter shot into a soft bank here. I think definitely my darts are flexing way too much, and they're kind of going on an eccentric when they travel, so I've got issues with balance and spine. But you know, you start somewhere with your learning, right? I'll call these my last 2 shots, and then I'll get out of here. Alright, well, we'll call it good with that. So that's my little experiment with an Atlatl. Obviously I need to refine my darts. Anyways, thanks for watching everybody. We'll catch you on the next one.